Fix it up, let the knowledge flow. That roller door bloke. He's that roller door bloke.
Alright, today we've got a tiltador. This is probably one of the most neglected and dangerously left tiltadors I've ever seen. Let's have a look. Wonder what's wrong with these tiltador arms. Can you notice anything suspicious on that center pivot point, for instance? Let's go across to the other side, see if it matches. So yes, that center bearing is missing quite a bit of material. I've actually just put a squirt of oil in there just to see how it operates, because the owner still wants it to go up and down no matter what. I have advised against it because there is not much purchase going on between the arms and the wall brackets. And check out these springs. Apparently someone's been out and checked this door over. They still can't get it working. Loose as anything. Springs also haven't been oiled. Let's put this door down halfway and we can see exactly how much wear and tear these tiltador arms have. Even though the bearings are totally shot, this is a good way to check the condition of your tiltador arms. Now that should be vertical, but it's not. It's on quite an angle. Check that out. At least this side's got a little bit more meat on there. The other side, not much at all. So this outside bracket is quite unusual. It's only on these dominator arms. They are made quite heavy duty, but that's the only thing that's getting these arms to hang on to the bracket, is that outer if all the pivot points on this type of door get oiled, they pretty much never wear out and they will last you a lifetime. But they never do, or hardly get maintained, and when they do it's a bit late, or they already have some wear and tear. But these are just unbelievably worn out. So I have started a quote to replace these arms in their entirety because they are just shot. And I have recommended not to use this garage door at all, but I doubt that's going to happen. But I will put a disclaimer in my report just to say that this garage door is unsafe to use and these arms need to be replaced as a matter of urgency. But it still works, so it won't be the end of the world for at least another few weeks, I reckon. But yes, have recommended not to use this garage door at all. That's just crazy. Check that out. There's not even one bit of meat on the outside of that bushing or bearing. So there you go. Pretty much one of the most dangerously left garage doors. Whoever came out and checked this out should be ashamed of yourself. That's absolutely shocking. Thanks for watching.
That roller door bloke.